Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fit these lights to the standard sort of light sockets that come in most houses. You can see them up there. They do look a little bit plain and we're going to dress them up using one of these light fittings from Bunnings. Now here's one out of the box and I'll just show you the parts you get. You get 3 of these mounts. You get that one, which is the main one that holds your glass ball. You get this one here, which covers your existing light fitting. And you also get this one, which covers the bottom of your light fitting. You will understand how it works in a minute when I show you how to fit these. And you get the actual ball, which is glass in this case. There you go. A little bit more fancier than the plain ones, and these light fittings are a little bit more expensive. I think these were just under $40 each. Now when you're up on your ladder, you want to make sure you've got all your parts and that your power's turned off. Very, very important. So the first thing you do is take out the light bulb, put it in your pocket. Now you've got the fitting up here, which you can just easily take off like that. There you go. This little part here that I showed you earlier is designed to cover that. This part here covers this part. So it slips on there, just like that. Then this piece here, which is going to hold your light, goes on there. And now this part goes back on there. Now I like tightening these up fairly tight. There you go. That's the amount fitted. Very easy, took all of about 10 seconds, maybe 15. Now you've got the retainers here for your glass ball, so you widen these out. Now that that's done, we can put our light bulb back in. Now we need the glass ball that fits on there, so let's go grab it. Okay, here we are. We have the glass ball, so you've got to be careful of this. And that goes straight on there. Hold that securely with one hand and gently and evenly wind in the retainers to hold the glass ball in place. Now there's 3 of these. Okay, now just make sure that it has grabbed your ball because you only get one chance of it. If you drop it on the ground, that's the end of that. There you go. One light fitting installed. Let's test it out. There you go. That looks a lot better than just a plain light bulb up there, doesn't it? There you go, another job done. If you've got any questions, don't forget to leave a comment down below in the comment section and I'll try and get back to you. If you have a product that you want reviewed on this channel here on Mike's Man Cave, contact me on my email address that's listed down below in the description box. In the meantime, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the new light, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.